Hi, Macaroons!
Hey, Macaroons. How are you doing?
Great.
Alright, so it has been a while. We haven't done a video in quite a while. We've been busy with school and work and all sorts of stuff. And as you can see, we've got an extra macaroon today. Making her second appearance is...
Shabani!
That's right. Who's on spring break and visiting from Florida. So hi, Shabani.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
She's our fan, but she's our cousin.
Yeah, she's our fam and she's our cousin. Girls, what are we doing today in our video?
Today, we are going to be opening the So Slime DIY.
That's right.
What's water over here?
That's right. It's So Slime DIY, a kit that has 3 containers in it. Everything that you need is already included. You just add the water, shake, and create slime. No glue, no mess. No mess. Macaroon mommies and daddy, I'll say it again. Hey, no mess. That's what we need. Even Rosie agrees.
Same thing for
So, we are going to open it. We haven't opened it as yet, but the girls did try to tear into it, as you can see. So, who's ready to get started?
Me!
All right. Okay, macaroons. Here's where we're at. We've got 3 slime shakers. We've got 3 powder packs, 2 confetti packs, 1 glitter pack, and 3 surprise figures. So the instructions, if the girls hadn't have ripped it up, number 1 is to combine 1 pack of slime powder and some glitter or confetti into the shaker and fill the water to that line. After we do that, we'll secure the lid, shake quickly for 3 seconds.
It says 30 seconds. She's crazy.
Remove the lid, wait 5 minutes before removing the slime. And then finally, mix your slime to create more colors, then put them together to create your own cosmic style.
No, we're not doing
Now that we're getting started, we are going to, Shivani, I'm just going to use your slime as an example.
Okay.
Once you open the slime, they should have some packets in it. And this is the slime packet.
It feels so...
Once we open this, Shivani, you want to open it in front of the camera? What's in your packet, guys?
I have a pink glitter,
Mm-hmm.
and I have a star!
Let's see. Oh, she's got a nice star. Hold on. Divya's got pink slime.
I got glitter in the pink slime.
Okay, let's see your glitter.
Oh, me too. Can I start now?
1 second.
Open it up.
Very nice.
Okay,
And what
put it on
figure
the
did you
table.
get? And you've got a mermaid. Nice.
If I
Okay, Divya, what do you have?
I have a fairy.
Ooh, let's see. Nice. It looks like Tinkerbell.
Yeah, it's
Beautiful. Okay.
okay.
What else do you have?
I have stars as glitter.
Okay.
Oh, wait. And mostly I have a paper doesn't
Okay.
And the blue slime.
Blue slime. All right. So who's get started?
Lisa,
Who's
Lisa.
ready to get started?
Me.
All right. So give me 1 second here. Put your cup in front of you. All right. Then we're gonna take the packet of the colored slime. Keep your stuff together for your packet of the colored slime. Hold on. Let me open it.
And we don't.
Fire adult macaroons. Just make sure you're there to help them open the pack and pour it in because the powder is very fine and kind of spills up. So then we're gonna open, next is to open the glitter and pour the glitter into their cups. Hold on, I'll open it and you guys pour it.
Daddy. This mine was really, really hard. Okay.
Did you pour more in it? Okay. Not yet, wait. You done, Shivani? Need help?
Kind of covered the whole thing, Mommy.
Here, just go like that.
This is what it should look like after when you put the glitter and the powder.
Yeah. Okay, now give me your cup.
You guys look pretty.
So now we're gonna pour the water in. Here's the cup, and if you're looking at the cup at the front, you'll notice that there's a line right here. That's your fill line. So we're gonna pour and fill it up to that line. Do you see that line, Divya, right here?
Right here. Yeah.
So take the water. Good job. Okay, girls, put your covers on tight. You have to make sure it's snapped in. All right, so everybody, shake a shaker. Shake a shake a shake. Shake a shake a.
Water.
Oh my god.
Here, give it to mommy.
Delete
Are you guys laughing at me?
Yes.
All right, so we're back. 5 minutes is up. And all right, one of you, hand me the one of you, somebody. So this is the slime after 5 minutes. You can see from a watery consistency, we now have something a little bit more stable.
Yeah, this is like stuck.
All right, so are you guys ready to open your So Slime DIY?
Yes.
Let's do it. Pop it open, girls. Take that slime out. Is it really slime? Put it up to the thing.
It feels weird.
Let's see.
Mommy, it
Let
feels
me
weird.
see. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Oh, it's a little sticky wicky.
No, it's actually, no, the glitter is sticky.
Oh, see, look. It is slime. Look at this. Yay.
Wait, we have to put the star in.
Oh,
Alright,
that's
guys.
right. Put your star in. Put your little, I guess, piece in.
Hey, this one.
Let's see. So, what can we say? Do we recommend this to other macaroon mommy and daddies and macaroons out there? Is it fun?
You need to try this. It's actually really super duper slimy.
Is it? Can you pull it apart? Is it really stretchy?
Look, the girl's taking the spot. Look, it's
Oh, she's in the
not
spot?
breaking.
Oh, nice. Look at that. Good job,
This is
Shivani.
the first time that this slime actually stayed together.
Yeah, this is better than any other slime we've attempted to make with glue
Wow.
on our own. We've certainly got to work on that recipe. Oh! So, mommy and daddy macaroons, not bad. It's a good 10-minute, I would say, total activity for the kids to do. And they certainly had fun doing it. We bought this from Ross for $5.99. I'm sure it sells on other retailers as well as Amazon. Again, this is called the So Slime DIY Slime Kit. And so you guys had fun. We recommend this. What do we want to tell our macaroon girls?
Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Bye!
At ThreeMacaroons.
Wait,
Bye!
I have something in my slime!
What do you have in your slime?
Two.
Besides confetti.
What? There's something in my slime.
Oh Lord, it's a piece of the slime that didn't shake up. That didn't dissolve. All right, guys, have a wonderful afternoon. Shivani, thank you for being in our video.